Welcome to this detailed factory documentary. Today we will explore how AirPods are made inside a high-tech factory. AirPods are small wireless earbuds used all over the world. They look simple, but their manufacturing process is very complex. Let us begin our journey from raw materials to the final product. The process starts with design and engineering. Special teams create digital designs using computer software. Every curve, hole, and size is carefully planned. Engineers test the design virtually before production begins. Comfort, sound quality, and durability are top priorities. High-quality raw materials are selected. Plastic polymers are used for the outer shell. Copper and aluminum are chosen for electronic components. Lithium materials are selected for batteries. Only tested and approved materials enter the factory. Plastic granules are delivered in large containers. These granules are cleaned and dried. Moisture is removed to avoid defects. The material is now ready for molding. The plastic granules are melted at high temperature. Molten plastic is injected into metal molds. The mold shapes the AirPod's outer body. After cooling, the shell becomes solid. Robotic arms remove the shells automatically. Extra plastic edges are trimmed. Each shell is polished to get a smooth surface. This step ensures comfort and premium quality. Workers inspect shells under bright lights. Tiny speaker drivers are produced separately. Magnets, coils, and diaphragms are assembled. Machines ensure perfect alignment. This part controls sound clarity and bass. Small microphones are manufactured. These microphones capture voice clearly. Noise cancellation technology is added. Each microphone is tested for accuracy. Many lithium batteries are created. They are designed to fit in small spaces. Safety testing is very important here. Only stable batteries move forward. Printed circuit boards are prepared. Tiny chips are placed using automated machines. These chips control Bluetooth, sound, and sensors. Boards are soldered using precise heat control. Bluetooth modules are installed on circuit boards. Motion sensors and touch sensors are added. These sensors detect ear movement and taps. Every function is tested digitally. All internal components come together. Speaker, battery, microphone, and circuit board are assembled. Robotic systems ensure perfect placement. Human supervisors monitor every step. Ultra-thin wires connect all parts. Connections must be strong and flexible. Special machines perform micro-welding. This prevents signal loss or damage. The outer shell is carefully sealed. Laser sealing technology is used. This protects internal parts from dust and moisture. The AirPod shape is now complete. Each AirPod is powered on. Basic functions are checked. If any issue is found, the unit is removed. Only perfect units move forward. AirPods are placed in sound testing chambers. Machines play different frequencies. Sound clarity, bass, and balance are measured. Defective units are rejected immediately. Microphones are tested for voice clarity. Background noise levels are checked. This ensures clear calls in noisy environments. AirPods are tested using artificial ears. Pressure and fit are measured. Comfort is essential for long use. The charging case is made separately. Plastic molding creates the case body. Magnets, battery, and charging circuits are installed. The lid is aligned carefully. Each AirPod is paired with its case. Wireless charging function is tested. LED indicators are checked. AirPod software is installed. Firmware updates are added. This ensures smooth performance and compatibility. Every unit goes through final inspection. Visual, audio, and software checks are repeated. Only flawless products pass. AirPods are cleaned carefully. Brand logos are checked. Products now look shiny and new. AirPods are placed in premium boxes. Instruction manuals and cables are added. Boxes are sealed and labeled. Finished boxes are packed in cartons. They are shipped worldwide. AirPods reach stores and customers globally. This completes the manufacturing journey. This was the complete AirPods manufacturing process inside a factory. From design to delivery, every step requires precision and technology. Thank you for watching this detailed documentary. Please like, share, and subscribe for more factory videos.